Welcome to Dividend and Conquer, where we turn the serious world of investing into a playground of passive income. Picture this. You're lounging on your couch, maybe in pajamas or hey, no judgment. A superhero costume and money is just rolling in. That's not a scene from a billionaire's daydream. That's the magic of smart investing. Now let's tackle the myth. Money doesn't grow on trees. Well, in our world, it kind of does. These aren't just any old trees, these are dividend stock trees, the kind that bear fruit all year round. And today we're going orchard hopping into the juiciest of them all. The top 5 dividend stocks you should consider holding forever. Think of it as your financial fruit basket. Imagine kicking off with a humble $10,000. Not exactly chump change, but not a king's ransom either. Now fast forward and boom! That modest sum has blossomed into a majestic money tree. We're here to take you on this exhilarating journey where we swap out beanstalks for stock graphs. And instead of a golden goose, we end up with golden dividends. But hold your horses, or should I say your bulls and bears. It's not just about chasing the highest dividend yield. That's like going on a treasure hunt and getting distracted by the shiny but worthless trinkets. We're after the real jewels, stocks that offer stability, growth, and yes, those delightful dividends. So, are you ready to transform your bank account from a sleepy kitten into a roaring lion? Are you prepared to make your wallet not just but thick with an extra C for emphasis? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the deep end of the dividend pool, and spoiler alert, it's filled with cash, not water. Let's dive in and discover how you can build not just wealth, but legendary wealth. Here we go. First up, let's crack open a can of insight on PepsiCo. This isn't just your go-to for a soda pop fix, it's a fizzy fountain of financial growth. For over 3 decades, PepsiCo hasn't just been tickling taste buds. It's been tickling the fancy of investors with its bubbly dividend growth. Investing in PepsiCo is like strapping yourself onto a rocket filled with cola. It's a zesty ride up to the stars of financial success. And that's not just the fizz talking, it's a proven track record. Now let's wade through the waters of Ecolab. You might not find Ecolab products in your pantry, but they're cleaning up in the stock market. This unsung hero of the investment world is like the ninja of your portfolio, quietly and efficiently taking care of business while you hardly notice. But just because it's not as flashy as a soda giant, don't underestimate its power. With a history of increasing dividends for 30 years, investing in Ecolab is like having a trusty Swiss Army knife, versatile, reliable, and always handy in a pinch. And then there's the ever-versatile 3M. If variety is the spice of life, then 3M is the spice rack. From sticky notes that help us remember milk to safety gear that's more crucial than coffee on a Monday morning, 3M sticks its landing in diversification. This isn't just a company, it's a buffet of innovation. With a track record of fattening up dividends for over 60 years, 3M doesn't just add a layer to your portfolio, it adds a whole new dimension. Investing in 3M is like having a golden goose that lays a different kind of golden egg each day. Surprising, delightful, and oh so profitable. As we navigate through these top picks, keep in mind it's not about crowning a single champion in the financial arena, it's about orchestrating a symphony of success, where each stock plays its unique tune, contributing to a harmonious portfolio melody. Think of it like creating the ultimate playlist for your financial health. You wouldn't want just one song on repeat, would you? Diversifying your investments is like hosting a potluck dinner. You don't want everyone bringing the same dish. That's a recipe for boredom and, let's be honest, a bit of indigestion. Instead, you want a variety. Some appetizers, mains, desserts, and maybe a quirky dish you've never tried before. Each stock in your portfolio should bring its unique flavor to the table, balancing risk and reward, just like balancing the right amount of sweet and savory in a meal. Investing in only one stock is like putting all your eggs in one basket and then asking a clumsy kangaroo to carry it. It's risky business. Diversification is your safety net. It's like having a team of superheroes, each with different powers, ready to save your financial world from any villain that comes its way. Some days, one hero takes the lead. On others, another steps up. But together, they protect and grow your wealth. Remember, the art of investing is not in finding the golden goose, but in building a flock that can weather any storm. So, as we guide you through these top picks, think of yourself as a maestro, wielding the baton to direct a diverse orchestra of assets. Each instrument, each stock, brings something unique to your concert hall of investments, ensuring that the music never stops, even if one instrument falls out of tune. In this journey, we're not just looking at individual stars. We're creating a constellation that lights up your financial sky. By the end, you'll have a portfolio as well-rounded as a gourmet meal, delighting you with its variety and resilience. So, let's keep moving through our investment feast, picking the best ingredients to create a financial banquet worthy of your future. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Dividend and Conquer community for more insights on making your money work for you. Discussing Nvidia, it's important to highlight that this isn't just another tech company. It's a trailblazer leading the charge into new digital frontiers. Nvidia's foray into the realms of GPU and AI isn't just a leap, it's a quantum jump, setting new benchmarks in technology. By investing in Nvidia, you're not just storing wealth, you're joining a voyage into uncharted tech territories, where innovation meets profitability in a dazzling display of futuristic prowess. Shifting our focus to T. Rowe Price, this financial titan stands as a beacon of stability in the tumultuous sea of the stock market. With their diverse portfolio, it's like having a seasoned captain steering your investment ship. Their extensive range of investment options isn't just impressive, it's a treasure trove for any savvy investor looking to diversify and strengthen their financial holdings. T. Rowe Price doesn't just manage assets, they cultivate financial success stories, guiding each investment with the wisdom of years and the insight of industry expertise. As we near the grand finale of our stock saga, let's remember the golden rule of investing. Patience is a virtue, and impatience is, well, it's basically choosing the slowest checkout line at the supermarket. Investing in these stocks is like planting a garden. You don't just toss seeds and expect a beanstalk overnight, leading to a giant's castle. No, it's about nurturing, watering, and maybe talking to your stocks. Hey, plants reportedly like it, so why not? It's playing the long game, like waiting for your favorite slow-cooked meal. It takes time, but oh boy, the flavors are worth it. So let's keep our eyes on the prize, give our investments some love and time, and watch as they grow, bloom, and eventually turn into a beautiful financial forest, where every tree is a testament to your patience and foresight. As we wrap up, here's a thought-provoker. If you could invest in only one of these stocks, which would it be and why? Share your pick and reasoning in the comments below. Let's get a lively investor debate going. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. And there you have it, the top 5 dividend stocks to buy and hold forever. Remember, the key to successful investing is starting early and staying consistent. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more content on making smart investment choices. Until next time, keep conquering!